soldier boy, I been it. Why me crack it, why me roll? Why me crack that soldier boy, that Superman? Now why me you crack that soldier? Now why me you crack that soldier? Now why me you crack that soldier? Now why me you?
Hey dolls, I'm Nasha Iman. Welcome back to my channel if you're new here. What's poppin'? Okay, today I'm gonna be filming a lash video because I always get questions about my eyelashes and like how I apply them, what type I wear. I guess I'll call like a lash 101 type video. I'm gonna be showing you guys like what type of lashes I use, like the varieties and stuff, where I get them from, how to apply them, and yeah. So if you guys want to see how I do that, then keep on watching. Ooh, y'all, I got a new ring light. Let me tell you, these videos gonna be fire. Summer 18 videos gonna be fire, period. I'm looking straight into this ring light and I'm finna get blind, y'all. So if I'm like acting up at the end, towards the end of this video, it's because I'm blind. I'm looking straight into this light and I cannot see for it. Okay, before I get started into like applying the lashes, I'm gonna show you guys my favorites ever. And most of the lashes I use are pretty inexpensive. My favorite lashes, if you know me and you've been following me for a minute now, you know that I love Koko lashes. So these are one of my favorite pairs. These are in the style Amore from Koko Lashes. Koko Lashes are literally $8. And I usually buy them in like bulk, so I buy like a couple at once, and you can buy these online. I'll put the link in the description box, but the website is ladymoss.com, or I go to the mall and I buy these at my mall. Koko Lashes in Amore, super pretty. The next ones I'm wearing right now, these are Stella, also from Koko Lashes. Super pretty, like they look so amazing. They're so cute. I love them so much. And then, like I said, they're also from Koko Lashes. These are so freaking beautiful. Like, oh my gosh. These are from my friend on Instagram, Janet. I'm pretty sure her name is Janet or Jeanette, something like that. Sorry girl if I just like butchered your name. But she has a lash line and her lash line is Goddess Lashes. These are literally the most beautiful lashes I've ever seen. I forgot the style name, but I'm gonna look it up when I get when I finish this video and like put it in right here. They were literally like, I think they were $10, and I also have a coupon code for you guys. It's $9 with 4 Z's, like my intro, but with an extra Z. And you can get, I think it's 30% off, something like that. You're gonna get money off, so save your coins, sis. These are more on the like expensive side. These are, okay, it kind of, okay, you can just look at this one. The other one just fell out, but these are Lilly lashes from Lilly, and this is in the style Miami. They were $30. I know that's a lot, but I got them because they're the ones like Kylie Jenner wears. So like, I'm wearing lashes Kylie Jenner wears. Like, oh my gosh. Now I'm gonna show you guys how I put them on. In the next clip, I might look like a raccoon. Just warning you. So like, just warning you. Alright, I don't have any lashes on. Do I look like a raccoon? I know I look like a raccoon, okay. I know I don't have eyelashes. Like, I know that, okay? Okay, I know. Like I said, these are Stella. Before you put lashes on, you always want to put mascara on. Alright, I don't look that bald anymore. People always ask me, like, how my lashes always look so nice and dark. Do you want to know my secret? I use weave glue on my eyes. That may be the reason why I don't have any eyelashes. It worked. I got this from the beauty supply for $2. This is the Super Hold Bond Glue from Salon Pro. I squeeze it out and I put it on something hard. So now there's like a little bit of glue on the brush right here. You see that? This is so simple. You guys act like it's so hard, but it's really, really not, guys. I don't understand that. But anyways, let's do this. So you basically paint it. You're painting your eyelash, basically. That's what you're doing. And you don't want to take too much because, I mean, if you use heck of it, your eyelashes are gonna fall off, right? Yeah, so use a thin layer, okay? This is the part that everybody is like so confused on. How do you put it on, Naja? How do you put it on? Who uses a tweezer? So you want to take your lash and you want to look straight into your mirror. And you want to just plop it right on. That was easy, right? Yes, it was. So weave glue is weird in that it dries super fast. So you want to do it really well. Yeah, you want to do it really quickly. If you wait like 30 seconds to put your eyelash on, don't do that. Don't do that because it's not gonna stay. I don't waste. I can't talk today. I don't understand. I don't understand what's going on with. If you use regular eyelash glue, I don't know what to tell you. I don't know how to use regular eyelash glue. Like literally, I can't use it. So I recommend just going to the beauty supply and getting some weave glue because it's so simple. It's like the best type of glue for your eyelashes. White glue is terrible. If you don't get weave glue, at least get a black glue, okay? So I'm about to put my other eyelash on and I'm gonna come back and show you guys my non-bald eyelashes, okay? I'm back and I don't look bald anymore. I finished. I haven't been wearing makeup lately. Do you guys consider eyelashes makeup? I have this whole debate with like everybody, like eyelashes are not makeup, they're an accessory to your face. If I don't have anything on my face, like guys, I don't have any foundation on, my eyebrows aren't even done, like they're literally just, it's just my lashes. I'm not wearing makeup though, like these are just lashes. I think that's a valid point. Like eyelashes are not makeup, they're eyelashes. I don't, in the comments below, are eyelashes makeup? Find out later on the next episode of Total Drama Island. What am I talking about? Okay, that's the end of this video. Finally put out a lash video for you guys because you guys literally were going to kill me if I didn't film this soon. If you guys try to put on lashes, if you guys go buy some either Koko lashes or some goddess lashes, don't forget to use my coupon code $9 with 4 Z's, okay? Then like send me pictures, do me on Instagram, you know. Show me that my like tips work for you, okay? Because I want to see. If you're not subscribed to me yet, what are you doing? What are you doing? Hit the subscribe button now and also turn on my notifications because for some reason YouTube does not want to tell people when I post a video. Like that's kind of disrespectful. I hit 19K subscribers yesterday or 2 days ago. I don't know. But thank you guys so much. Like I'm so happy. Like I love all of you so much. This is crazy because I literally started my channel in like August or something and like I have 19. Like that's almost 20,000 and that's like a really big deal to me. I hate myself. But no, for real. Thank you guys so much for 19K. Thanks. Thank you so much. I love you all so much. That's the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it and I'll see you guys all next video.